Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great. We heartily welcome you all to our YouTube channel cadcaemaster. If you enjoy what you see, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you never miss an upload. Okay, so in this session we'll go through the problem number 42, where we are going to deal with the isometric projection of two rectangular plates. The problem is, you could see the two rectangular plates are placed centrally with dimensions 100, 60, 20 and 100, 40, 20, such that a longer edge are parallel to the isometric projection. Okay, just two rectangular slabs on another with respect to center. This is quite easy and quite tricky. You need to play with this model easier, but there are some techniques which you can utilize it to make it easy. Let's see how we're gonna just deal with this. Let's get started with this problem. Well, so let's start with this problem. Quickly I'll draw same again. I'll take this reference. This is a line from here to here, one line, and here I would like to specify the dimension. This time I would like to make it 30, and this should be, they have given it as 60. Could see in the image, right? So I can just make it as 60. Yeah, and then one more line I should take. This line should be 100. Correct? Yeah, so this is fine. And then dimension from here to here, it is 30. Correct? So these two are fine. And then I need to have a line. We should go like this, rather not to have that perpendicular relation. Yeah. Now this and this should be equal, right? These two should be equal. These two should be equal. This is perfect. And then I need to move them. So select these. Right click, move entities, or it should be copy this point to somewhere here, and okay, I should have one more, the same length 100. Let's do this. So I would rather not to draw it again. I'll copy this, copy from here to somewhere here, and this is fine. At this moment I'll reduce this to 40. Correct? Yeah, this is perfect at the moment. Next thing is I need to bring it here. First I would like to create this one, finish it off. This one done. Dimension should be, the height is 20, enter, then add others, here one, these two, this is fine. Then I would like to delete this, inside it is, this looks fine. This should be exactly somewhere here. Let's move this. Select these, right click, move center point of this to this center point. I cannot achieve. Okay, no issues, let it be. And then now from here to here they have given the distance is 10, so activate dimension D shortcut. From here to here it should be 10. This is fine. and then these two should be collinear, but it's not. Select these two, make collinear. This is 100% fine. At this side also I should do the same. These two should be collinear. Okay, so this is shortcuts you need to remember. Okay, and now these two plus there is one more line which is now collinear. I should have made this one before. Okay, no issues. I would like to take these, right click, copy entities from here to a certain distance. Okay, and then delete this and this two, not needed. Now you can join these two. Okay, and then these two here, and then here also. And now this is ready. Just trim it properly. Trim closest you can use. This is not needed, not needed, not needed. You also. Then this two and this. Perfect. And here also. Yeah. And there should be some graphics issue. It will be gone. Okay, no issues about that. Okay, so once you're done with this, you finally need to scale it up. For that, I just need to remove these dimensions. Okay. Let me just see. There should be something wrong. What about this dimension? This is 20. Yeah, and what about this dimension? This also should be 20. Am I right? Yep. If I take it 20, then it's gone. Okay, so before doing this, press Ctrl Z. So keep the dimensions with you. Then now try. If I do it now, will it work? 20. Nope. Doesn't work like this, so I think I should go back. So what do we do now? The best possible thing is, at the moment, this one you measure how much? Normal distance 11.3. So do one thing, you make it 10. Make this 10. Oh, better directly make it 20. 20. Make this 20. Make this 220. This here is missing. So at this moment, best way is these two should be equal. These two should be equal. This and this equal. Perfect. Yep. Now again the trim. Here this is not needed. This looks perfectly fine. Yeah. and then finally you can scale it up. So just select everything, right click, sketch tools, scale 0.1 correct. This is the reference, not a copy please. Just click OK. This is perfectly fine. Yeah. So this is how you're going to deal with this problem. Make sure before you proceed further, try to define all the dimensions properly, or else you will face the issue what I had faced. Yeah. We heartily thank you all for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give it a thumbs up. Follow us on Facebook, LinkedIn and Instagram for behind the scenes content and the updates. Stay curious, stay awesome, and see you again in the next video.